Foundational literacy, numeracy are the mandatory and important content of education. Alphabet and phonetics are foundation for any language that children are made to write from the beginning of their schooling grades. The principal has instructed the teachers not to hold the hands of the children when they write. The children are practiced to say the letters loudly when they write. Writing too doesn't start from the formation of the letter directly, but with lines and curves so children can learn to write better. Phonic sounds of letters are practiced by showing the letter so that children can practice the usage of the letters while pronouncing, and also audio visuals will ease them to understand better. Simple teaching tools made by the teachers are used to teach the children. Flashcards carrying individual letters are used to teach children. The flashcards are made with touch sense so that children can feel the shape of the letters shown. Shuffling and rearranging flashcards, arranging blocks with letters written on them helps the children learn quickly. Montessori equipments like spindle boxes, inlays are used by the children so that they learn by doing, and also sensory motor learning happens. Children's memory is long when they learn on their own or when they learn by seeing these methods. Children are taken outside the class often so that they can see the world around and learn. Counting flowers, birds, trees, leaves helps to build the foundation of numeracy and also see the examples for the letters they have seen inside the classroom. Teaching rhymes with alphabet and numbers with action will help the children learn basics with fun. In this way, the whole body joins together in the learning process, so teaching is easy and learning is fun. After introduction to letters and numerals, children are introduced to syllables like 3-letter words or 4-letter words will lay foundation to learn bigger words, then frame sentences. After being introduced to numerals 1 to 100, children move on to learn beyond 100 and so on. This progress will help them learn numerals slowly. Tables are the next step to be confident in mathematics. Tables must be memorized, only then it will spontaneously help in every step of solving maths problems. In order to make the children memorize tables, chart with tables written on it are displayed in many places that children learn them subconsciously. Also, the children are made to repeat tables during breaks, assembly activities and so on. In order to make the children memorize tables, charts with tables written on it are displayed in many places that children learn them subconsciously. Also, the children are made to repeat tables during breaks, assembly activities and so on. Repetition enters into memory very quickly and stays long. Learning and writing must go hand in hand in the learning process, that every step is taken meticulously so that there is no lag in the process of learning in the foundation level. For every lesson, teachers are insisted to design a mind map. It will help the children will remember the keywords of any lesson in an easy way. The teachers prepare mind map along with their lesson plans and submit it to the principal every week. The principal checks the lesson plans personally and also ensures that the mind maps are novel with easy to remember design. Teachers are insisted to make children take teaching notes while they teach so that the concentration of the children will not scatter. Also, they will take down notes in their perception which will help strong in the subject. And also find it easy to revise the concept taught in the classroom. Teachers may say many facts from their experience or other sources. Children can record them in the teaching notes. The principal always insists teachers to prepare well before going into any classroom to teach. To ensure this, every teacher is expected to prepare and submit a lesson plan for the week every Monday. The principal corrects and checks the lesson plan herself and writes feedback, suggestions on it so that it is followed in the following week. The teachers are also instructed to prepare content outside the textbook. The principal has designed and customized a lesson plan register for the school to make the teachers prepare better and perform better. In order to improve language, a new word in all languages, English, Tamil, Hindi, are introduced during assembly session, and at the end of every term, word power exams based on the new words introduced are conducted so that children will remember the new words. It will help them to increase their vocabulary and improve their proficiency in language.